So we are going to run a macro based on data sorting. And in this example, we're using states and capitals and state population and the capital population, similar to the layout that we had for, or example that is that we had for the data sorting tutorial. But in this case, we're going to apply it as a macro. So what we'll do is we will highlight our range, which is from A1 all the way down to D51. And this includes the header row. And from there, we will create the macro. We will go under macros, extensions, that is, and then under macros, we will go to record macro. And from here, a window pops up at the bottom of the screen, blinking red dot within a red circle indicates that it's recording the new macro. And in this case, we're going to use absolute references. And so we proceed with the commands for sorting column A by state alphabetically. And we're going to go through data here in the menu bar, and on the drop down, we will go to sort range and go through advanced range sorting options, and window pops up in the center of the screen. So where it's indicating that we're sorting the range from A1 to D51, and we have a header row. And in this case, we're sorting by state, which is column A here. And it is in ascending order, A to Z. And I'm going to click on sort. And there you go. Column A has been sorted alphabetically by state. Alabama, the first, and Wyoming is the last state. And from here, what we're going to do is simply save the recording. And small window pops up, save new macro, and in this case we'll name it state, and since it is in ascending order, we will label it as ascending, and we're going to apply a number as a shortcut so that when we go to the spreadsheet, you can automatically give it a command to sort by hitting command key plus option key and shift key, and in this case number 1 on the keyboard, and we are going to save that. And it's indicating saving macro saved. And if we should want to edit the script, we can edit the script by clicking on that, but in this case we're just going to close it. And the way that it should pop up is that once we've done various sorting options on the data and recording it as macros, we come up with this list of macros here. And so state ascending is shift command option shift 1, and if we're sorting it by column B for capital in ascending order, there will be a command option shift 2, and for state population we have it both ascending and descending, and those will be options 3 for descending and option 4 for ascending, and the same with that applies with capital population. We're going to do a command option shift 5 for descending and command option shift 6 for ascending, and that is how we have it. And if we were to apply it here, we can do on the menu bar, go to state ascending, and it sorts it out by state alphabetically in ascending order. And if we ran the macro for capital, this is how it'll appear. Everything is capitalized. Sorry, everything is alphabetized by capital on column B. And if we wanted to do figure out how much people there were in the state in descending order, we would hit Command Option Shift 3, and that's how it appears. And the same thing applies with doing it in ascending order. And for the capital population in descending order, this is what we get. Phoenix is the largest, and to do it by ascending order, Vermont is the smallest, has the smallest capital with 8,000 people in Montpelier. So that is how we run macros on Google Sheets.